إذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا. وإذا, when fatha come before alif, then you stretch alif up to one alif. This is fatha on waw, fatha wa, hamza, kasra, e. When alif contain any fatha, kasra, zamma, then you read alif as hamza. So that is why we are reading this alif as hamza, hamza, kasra, e. Drop your voice. Hamza, kasra, e. Dal, alif, fatha, da. Read dal very softly. Dal and za difference is you read dal very softly and you read za with a whistle sound. So this is dal, alif, fatha, da. When fatha come before alif and alif has no sign on it, then you stretch alif up to one finger. This is called alif madda. Do alif madda. Dal, alif, fatha, da. Wa idha laqul ladina. Don't stretch fatha on lam. This is lam. This is not alif. Lam, fatha la, qaf, lam, zamma, qul. We have to read this qaf with a thick voice. This is one of the mustaliya letter, and mustaliya letters are those letters which are always read in Quran with a thick voice. Read it with a full mouth. Qaf, lam, zamma, qul, lam, fathala, qulla, zal, ya, kasra, vi. Again you have to read zal very softly. This is zal also. This is also zal. And do ya madda. This is jazm sign. When jazm sign comes on any letter, the letter becomes sakin. So before ya sakina, kasra come at the previous letter, then you stretch ya up to one finger. This is called ya madda. Dal, ya, kasra, ri. Laqul ladhi. Noon, fathana. Laqul ladhina. Laqul ladhina. Amanu. Stretch hamza because of vertical fatha up to one finger. This is called vertical fatha. This sign is called vertical fatha. Vertical fatha, vertical kasra, vertical zamma, inverted zamma are called vertical harakas, and we stretch vertical harakas up to one finger. That is why we are stretching hamza here up to one finger. Amanu. Do waw madda. When waw becomes sakin, before waw sakina, zamma come at the previous letter, then you do waw madda. Noon, waw, zamma, nu. Amanu. Qalu. Stretch alif also, because when fatha come before alif, then you stretch alif up to one finger like the. So you have to stretch here also. Qa up to one finger, and qaf is also a mustaliya letter. Read it with a thick voice. Qalu. Stretch mad on waw madda. When zamma come before waw sakina, we do waw madda, and this is mad on waw madda. This is mad. This mad is not present on alif or any other letter. This is present on waw. So you have to stretch. Qalu amanna. You have to stretch mad here up to two fingers, because after mad there is a hamza. When after mad, if hamza is next letter, when alif contain any haraka on it, alif become hamza. So when after mad hamza come, we stretch mad up to two fingers. So you have to stretch waw madda here up to two fingers. Qalu amanna. Stretch hamza because of vertical fatha up to one finger. Hamza vertical fatha a. Mim noon fatha man. Do gunna in noon mushaddad. When tashdid comes on noon, you take noon sound into the nose and stretch up to one alif like man. Na. Stretch na also, because when fatha come before alif and alif has no sign on it, then you stretch alif up to one finger. This is called alif madda. Amanna. Qalu amanna.